ocean view suite. All right, let me just kind of at a glance. This is clearly a double queen. Sitting area, nice. Decor is pretty on par with what you would see across the rest of the resort. I mean, let me just take y'all to what y'all really care about, you know what I'm saying? So, that's it. Money shot. And we got some parasailing action going on back there. With the recent news that's happened with parasailing, I hope they have a safe return back to the boat and to land. But yeah, most rooms, if not all, come equipped with this hammock. Other than nice outdoor seating. All right. When you have the door open, the AC turns off. Most of you who had balconies at other resorts will be familiar with that concept. Mini bar, stocked daily. Let me show you what else is this? Yep. So some extras and the real extras. Every room comes equipped with a Bose sound system. These things sound like super good, easy to connect to. Power, Bluetooth. Automatically finds it on your phone, you know, picks up the Bluetooth connection. Sink, everything is open. Very feng shui in here. I really like it. Got your water closet. Oh, sorry. Push. That's a me thing. Let me show you this real quick though. Ready? Now it is transparent on both sides. So, you know, when you want to put on a show when you're on the toilet, you can press, you know, open the curtain. Then when you're ready for your show to be over, there you go. I probably should have turned on the lights, but y'all can see. But yeah, very nice shower, very good size. I'll step in so you can see. Bench, your toiletries, your goodies, etc. And your nozzles. All right. Well, I mean, you know, pretty straightforward. Again, this is the Ocean View Double Queen. I highly recommend it. Also offered in, you know, King. But yeah, thank y'all.